Okay, I thought I should just show you this real quick. Not sure if I'll be able to do it with one hand, but so this is the wet sleeve pre-installed. This is piston number 5. If you look here, the left side of this piston rod is thicker than the right, and that's because the thinner side has to lap up against the piston rod for the adjoining piston on the opposite side. So it's 3 piston journals and 6 rods, and so it's 2 rods per journal. So fat side on the left for the driver's side bank or left bank, and thin side on the right side going away from the radiator for this bank. Like I said earlier, I put this ring compressor in so the rim of the piston just clears it. And that way, when you put it in the hole, I gotta put the phone down while I do this. Piston in the hole, stays put. Sits right into the wet sleeve. And this tapered ring compressor will push it in the rest of the way. So I have an arrow pointing down so I know the direction that the piston rods have to be, and it will get pushed in there. And torque down the connecting rod to between 60 and 70 foot-pounds. They've all been plastic gauged with new bearings. I think it's just dandy. And make sure to position the journal on the crankshaft such that the piston rod has a clean approach and it won't get all cut up in the side of the barrel. I don't know if you get to see it, but there it is. All right. Thank you much.